all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about my pregnancy weight loss journey on how I have reduced from 75 kgs to 55 kgs now. It's been a real journey for me, guys. I have worked really hard to shed those extra kilos. And the most important thing that I've realized during this weight loss journey is your diet. We work out, we do kind of walking and running, but the thing that we ignore is our diet. In the basic Indian diet, we eat a lot of carbs, we eat a lot of dairy, which is essential, which you should eat. But then if you are losing those extra kilos, you need to keep that thing in mind, the little things that we eat and we don't realize. So before my pregnancy, I was never really I never really realized that I need to follow a diet or follow a workout routine, because I was kind of a little fit. After my pregnancy, it was really very difficult for me to see myself changing that much, because I had gone to bad pigmentation, bad body shape, and everything. My body was like swollen, my hands got swollen, my back got swollen. Obviously, pregnancy is a beautiful journey. We give life to a human being. It's the best feeling in the world, and I'm the most happiest after having a baby. But then to see yourself like that and to accept yourself like that is very difficult sometimes. For some people, especially me, I had swore that I will shed those extra kilos. So for starters, what I did was, after 2 months, like for 2 months, I followed the basic Indian routine that you need to follow is, eat pure ghee. You need to follow it because you have lost a lot of calcium, protein from your body. The extra blood that you lose after delivery, you need to eat, and you need to get back your strength, which is very important. After 2 months, I just started a little brisk walking. You can't walk faster if you had a C-section. I had a C-section and it was not possible for me to walk that fast, but I ensured that I counted my steps, how many steps I'm taking in a day. And slowly and steadily I increased it. Like after 4 months, I increased my walking. I consulted my gynecologist before that, please do, and then only follow that. After 6 months, I started my real diet, because for 6 months I ate homemade food. I didn't eat anything fancy or outside food. I just ate my homemade food, my dal, roti, vegetables, and pure simple breakfast, simple dinner, juices and everything. But after 6 months, when I realized that I have my strength a little back and I could diet, then I started my real diet, which is I started my morning with warm water, lemon and honey. After that, a handful of dry fruits, and pure breakfast like a poha or upma or a multigrain sandwich, no parathas and anything, and a cup of coffee without sugar. So sugar plays like the most important part in your diet. You have to quit sugar if you are looking for a weight loss. So basically, sugar increases your weight much faster, and if you're trying to lose it, it doesn't help you to lose it basically. So obviously a coffee without sugar. In my lunch, I used to eat my full Indian food, that is dal, vegetables, but instead of a gehu roti, like a wheat roti, I used to choose a multigrain roti, a bajra roti, a quinoa roti, a besan roti. Basically wheat also makes your body full of carbs, and it's not easy to lose that weight. So I used to eat those kind of rotis with lots of vegetables, lots of dal, and in the evening I used to again have a cup of coffee or a juice. And in dinner, I used to keep it very light, like a chicken soup or roasted chicken, both of these things, salad sometimes, but not eat any kind of carbs or heavy food in the night, because it becomes really difficult to shed those kilos if you are eating heavy in the night. So this was my diet that I followed for months. And after 6 to 7 months, I had lost 10 kgs. But after that, it becomes a bit difficult. So basically, I I just started walking, I started running, I did little exercises. I consulted my gynecologist again for that whether my stitches are fine, whether I can work out or not. So I did a little minor workout. The thing mostly that I did was running and walking, and also my diet. And after an year, I really started working out. I downloaded a fitness app, and you can download any fitness app which suits you, and I swore that I have to work out at least half an hour to 40 minutes in a day. And trust me guys, it has changed my body. It has made me strong, it has made my back strong and my body really strong. It really helps guys. People who go through normal delivery can follow a normal routine, but people who go through a C-section have to wait at least an year. According to gynecologist suggested me to wait at least an year for the hardcore workout that you do. So for that 1 year, I did my walking, my running, I controlled my diet, and few things that I swore by not to eat is maida, french fries, any kind of fried food, cookies, any kind of cold drinks, packaged foods. I don't eat packaged food. I just eat homemade food, the natural food, organic food. And these foods have high calories, and the carbs that are not good for your body, these are not good carbs. Good carbs is a white rice, is a wheat roti, which you can eat sometimes. It's not that you have to leave it completely, but then you have to leave these kind of junk foods, no pizzas, no burgers, if you have to diet, if you have to shed those extra kilos. In the end, I would like to mention that it's your body. If you like to keep it that way and you're proud of it, you should definitely go for it. But then if you really want to see yourself in a good shape, you feel motivated, you feel pumped to dress up like I do. I love to dress up, and I just wanted to be someone who loves myself. Every woman is beautiful in their own body. It's just my personal experience that I'm sharing with you. As many of my friends have asked me what kind of journey I have really gone through to shed my weight. I hope this video is informative to my beautiful women over there. If you want to lose weight, and if you want to be in a good shape, you want to feel good about yourself, but just remember that don't diet to the extent that you lose your strength. You have to eat essential food. I never ever give up on desi ghee. I eat desi ghee, but in minimal. And I just try to change the modes of eating it. Instead of eating it fried, I put it on my chapati, I put it in my dal, so that I have that strength, because I have to take care of a child. So just ensure that you give yourself at least half an hour in a day to work out, to ensure what you are eating is good for you, good for your body. But don't trash your body with junk food and unnecessary sugary items. These are really not good for your health. And trust yourself, and if you want to do something, just give yourself half an hour in a day at least to work out. Join any fitness app, download any fitness app. If you want to go for a gym, whatever. We mothers are really busy, and it's very difficult for me to take out time for a gym, so I do my workout at home only. If you want, I can share the details of the app, so you can also follow it. And if you like my video guys, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.